Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to VeensVlog. I'm your host Rohit and today we are going to do a review of the key off-road accessories for the new Mahindra Thar. So stay tuned till the end and please do subscribe to my channel and in particular to this review as I'm giving out free UAE dirhams 125 voucher on purchase of minimum 500 dirhams worth of accessories. In Indian rupees, this would be approximate rupees 2,500 discount on purchase of rupees 10,000 worth of accessories. You can use the exchange rate to get the exact Indian rupees. I would be providing a code which would be exclusive to both old and new VeensVlog subscribers, and all you need to do is subscribe and send me the code in the comments box along with your choice of accessory, or email me on veens1234@gmail.com. Once you confirm the accessory, I can ship it out from Dubai on receiving payment. Of course, all shipping cost, custom duty and taxes need to be borne by the buyer. Hope this keeps you interested. Enjoy the review.